Okay, I want to talk to you about divisibility rules. And I want to give you some advice. Those students who have actually taken the time to learn this, it has shortcutted a lot of their work, not just in the math class they're in, but in every class after that. Okay? Now, it's divisible by 2 if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, or in other words, if it is an even number. Now, it's divisible by 3 if you add up all of the digits and it equals a number that's divisible by 3. So, for example, 342, if I take 3 plus 4 plus 2, that equals 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, I can take this number and divide it by 3. Matter of fact, I can even show you on the calculator. If I take 342 and I say divide by 3, I get the number 114. Now, it's divisible by 4 if 4 divides evenly into the last 2 digits. So for the number 532, 4 divides evenly into 32, therefore 4 divides evenly into 532. Alright, so 532 divided by 4 gives us 133. 5, if it ends in 0 or 5, I can divide it by 5. 6, if it's even and it's also divisible by 3, then I can actually even divide it by 6. So if I take a number like 936, it's even, and 9 plus 3 plus 6 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore, if I take and divide this by 6, I get a nice answer. Now, 9 is divisible by 9. Well, that's the exact same kind of rule as for 3's, except the digit has to be divisible by 9. So for an example, 792 is 7 plus 9 plus 2, which is 18. 18 is divisible by 9, therefore I can divide 792 by 9. Divisible by 10 if it ends in 0. It's divisible by 11 as long as it's smaller than 100 if you get repeated digits like 33, 55, etc. Okay? Now this one's a really cool one. 11 is divisible by 11 between 100 and 1,000. And you do it this way. Outside numbers add up to the inside numbers. It doesn't always work if the outside numbers add up to more than 9. So one example would be 792. 7 plus 9 is 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. Therefore, 792 is 11 times 72. And I just kind of want to expand on this, and I want to show you why. So 72 times 11, well, 1 times stuff is stuff. Now remember, to get this other one, we have to scooch, and 1 times 72 is 72. My outside numbers are 7 and 2, and what am I doing in the middle here? I'm adding them. So 792. Now, it's divisible by 12 if it's divisible by 3 and 4, by 15 if it's divisible by 3 and 5, 25 if it ends in 0, 0, 25, 50, or 75. Now the cool way of thinking about the 25s is 25 cents, same as a quarter. If I have $1, how many quarters do I have in it? Yep, 4. And if I only have 25 cents, I got 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters. Okay? So the 25s are really kind of fun. Now again, if you learn these, I promise you, it is going to shortcut a lot of your homework.